Yo, Chad. Back with another nature talk, nature walk. It's me and Jay Dyke out here, going down below. Time to hit that creek. Also gonna do a little bit of abs too, you know what I'm saying? Beautiful day out, Chad. Gotta get some sunlight. Gotta go outside. Enjoy nature. Enjoy life. You know what I'm saying, Chad? That's what we do. Pretty good day today. A little rainy, but right now it's not even rainy. But the rain low-key cleans you, it cleanses you. So even if it's rainy outside and you're going on a walk, you should still go outside because it's gonna clean your mental just by like listening to the rain and stuff. I'm telling you right now, Chad, get you on point. JP.
Yeah,
Right there. Of course, Chad, we're grounded. If you didn't know, grounding reduces stress levels and helps you connect with nature and connect with God.
boost energy.
Boost energy too. Oh yeah. That's what we do right there. And it ultimately makes your feet stronger too. Like stepping on all these rocks right here makes your feet strong.
It heals you too. Sitting next to it says too.
It heals you. Like you think it heals your energy or like heals your body? But Chad, if you eat McDonald's, it's not gonna heal your belly fat, bro. Like you gotta first cut out the McDonald's and then you can start grounding maybe. How's that sun, Jay? How's that sun?
How's the what?
How's the weather out?
It's not bad. It's windy.
A little windy? Wind doesn't hurt, huh? You still gotta execute if it's windy, right? Yeah. Chat, every day is not gonna be sunny. But you gotta make the day valuable by still putting in the work, even if it's not sunny. Even if your mom didn't make your cereal right, bro, you still gotta get up and put the work in. Make your cereal right. Cause chat, oppositions come every day. New challenges, you don't know what's gonna happen. You gotta be like a ninja, ready for any attacks, you know what I'm saying? It's the type of mindset you gotta have. Or like a warrior mindset, you know? Instead of having a victim mindset where you're whining about everything. You just go through it and you don't really care. You know what I'm saying? Like you gotta care a little bit, but don't take it too far. You know what I'm saying? Some people take it a little too far, huh, Jay? I'm about to go to the weights if you wanna come. Okay, man. Jay's Janie's lizard. Got the goats over there, Chad. Oh yeah. Right there. Good down. Just got a little taper right there. Chad had to line me up real quick. Not too much, but you know, just a little bit, a little bit. Little new fresh cut. Hair's growing back quick. If you guys are concerned on what I use rosemary oil, jojoba oil. All that stuff's good for your hair. You know what I'm saying? Get your hair on point. If you guys want that thick eyebrows, bro, start using minoxidil and start getting in the creek. Start hitting the cold plunge. Your hair is gonna get thicker, bro. I'm telling you right now. Because your body's like, why am I so cold? I need to start growing some more hair. And then boom, you start growing more hair. Yeah, I'm about to We got some grapes right here, chat. I'm finna get some grapes real quick. That J-Dye. Yeah, we gotta show them about this. JP, do they know about this right here though?
Yeah, that's right. Grapevine.
All natural grapes? Sure. You don't think?
Sure, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, we need to get you a cut, bud. We need to get you a fresh cut.
Yeah.
Chad, you know what time it is. Time to get right. Hey, that's a rabbit coop now. You don't remember the chicken coop's over there?
Oh, the eggs don't be going in there no more? The eggs don't be going in there no more?
Yeah, I'm gonna see rabbit. Chad. You might want some grapes in there.
Shit.
Oh yeah. I don't think he likes grapes. Oh, Ranger likes your grapes. Chat, we're on a chicken coop adventure looking for protein. Chicken coop and chat.
Where's it usually at?
Huh? Usually in here. Where they let? Looks like there's one. Yeah, there's one in there. Look right there.
Oh, yeah?
Shit, what about up top? What's up there? That's in there.
You guys great?
Chat chicken, guys. Chat chicken. Chat, we're eating good. You guys are getting better. You guys better be hitting the workout, you know what I'm saying? That's rule number one. Longevity is key, and if you want to stay healthy for a long time, you need to build muscle. So when you're 80 years old or 70 years old, you can still move around, you know, walk your kids, walk your grandkids. So you gotta hit the gym. I'm gonna catch you guys later. Enjoy the day. You guys have a good one. Appreciate you guys tuning in. A quick nature walk with me and JP. That's what we do. We want you guys out here too, getting better. Yes, sir. This is what we do. Catch you guys later.